Switch off.
What's up, everyone? The Tech Piano Player Kid here, and today I'm going to show you something actually very cool that you would be kind of cool to have. Now, you probably now when I show you this, you're probably thinking, well, what's the point? I'll show you here in a minute once I get things situated. Oops. Okay. Let me just disconnect some stuff here. Oh, I could do that too. Okay. Okay. This thing right here. This is a device that you can use connecting via USB. And here, I'm going to try and get this in the camera, but I probably won't, but oh well. I don't know if you can see those plugins right there. For those of you can see, those are RCA inputs / outputs. Two of them are inputs, two of them are outputs. I think one of them is there's another one here. I don't know what it does, but it does something. But what this device does, you can connect it to in this case, a record player, or something that's an RCA cables coming out, and that goes into the input in here, or whatever you want to put it into. So I use this to digitize my vinyl records to MP3. And how do I do this? You're probably wondering. Well, I use Audacity. It's free. Now, this device I hear to put the RCA and stuff was not free, obviously. And then you have the USB on the other side. Cable right here. So, yeah, so I guess you could do it on CDs too. Or you can do it on cassettes as well. If the cassette has a RCA coming into it, you can do that too. But yeah, you could do that. Let me see if I have something I can show you, but I don't want to get copyright strike by playing these songs. So I'm not going to actually, So, I have all my records here. Let's see. I'm trying to find something that could, okay. I'll do something by Bach. You guys don't know who Bach is? Johann Sebastian Bach. He was a classical composer. So I'm just going to show you just how it works. Sorry guys, I have to put my other record back. And no guys, you do not need an amplifier to do this. You do not need an amplifier to record all this stuff. I know this because I've tried it and it works. Oof, man, some of these record covers are not the best. Okay, side one. And the reason I know why it's side one, guys, I brailled them. So that's how I know. Okay. So now I'm going to take this device that I showed you and connect the RCA cables to it. And then I'm going to take the other end and just drop it slowly so it doesn't fall on the ground. And then I'm going to connect it to my Mac.
Enter password, security text. Find out. They're notoriously bad thinking face.
Whoa, what on earth? That was a weird sound. Okay. So now I'm going to connect it to my device that has for USB. There we go. So now I have to go to terminal.
Terminal. Find out. CAR 2018 folder. Terminal. Because
apparently Audacity has not been updated properly. And so I have to do it this way because the microphone, it's weird. It's a weird update it's a weird thing I have to do to make the microphone work properly until they get it updated. But it still works. So let's see where. Okay, so let's go to CD space / and then we're there. Then we go to open space app. Oops. Try it again. Open space applications / Audacity .app / macOS / Audacity. And then hit enter. It opens. And then select the device and the recording device as USB codec. And then I will just hit the start button on here. And then wait. And hit record. So I will pause this for a minute and just record a little bit and then I'll show you. Okay, so here we go. I'll just play a little bit of it because no copyright strikes. So here we go. I'll just hit space, play. Oops, okay, I wasn't ready yet. Okay, here we go. So yeah, that's how that works. Yes, you can hear the crackle stuff, and then that's you can't take that out. I think it's because of the there's some dust on there maybe, or maybe the record's just old. Most of these records guides, I either got them from someone, or a friend had them, and then he gave them to me. My godmother had a friend, or a neighbor that she must have told him that I was into vinyl records collecting. And so he lent his record player to us while I was over there in Germany. And he told her to tell me that, says, if he wants any of those records, tell him to take some. I was like, I don't want to take any of those. They're yours. And she was like, no, it's fine with him. He's like, if he wants them, go ahead and take them. He doesn't want some of these. I'm like, okay. So that was very kind of him. Very kind of him. I wish I could have thanked him in person. But he let me take some of his records, and that was one of them, I think. No, I think that wasn't one of them. That was when I ordered. But I think one of them that I took was a one by George Handel. If you guys haven't heard of George Handel, he was the one who composed the song music from the fireworks and music from the water music. He composed those, George Handel, and he also composed the Messiah, the Hallelujah chorus. It's a very famous one. So yeah, that is that, and I need to look up what that device is called. But it's a pretty cool device. It runs around $30 on Amazon, $30 to $35. That's of course without shipping tax and without tax and everything. So yeah, it's a pretty cool device. Once you know how to use it and everything, yeah. And then if you guys have some vinyl records collect, they used to do stuff. Yeah, you can download that Audacity for free. Now, by the time I don't know when Audacity would be updated, but for now you have to do that command. the CD space slash, and then when you enter, then you do open space applications slash audacity.app slash content slash macOS slash audacity, and then hit enter, and then it opens it. And don't close terminal, because then it won't work for some reason. I tried it. And then once you're done with Audacity and everything, then you can close it, save the export the project to MP3 and everything, and you should be good to go. So guys, that's it for this video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on my post notifications. And subscribe to my, follow my Twitter, tech_piano. And also, don't be afraid to have other people check out my YouTube channel, because I want to get more subscribers, the merrier. And yeah, so you have any blind friends or visually impaired friends, or whatever, or you just want to learn about blind technology for the blind, or just technology itself, or piano tutorials, that's fine. So I'll see you all in the next video. The Tech Piano Player Kid is out.
Remember to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Follow my Twitter, which is linked to my channel. For more questions, email me at thetechpianoplayerkid@gmail.com.